Bushu anin miskasay ka nga sinabi. Mibila nunga mo ikakanunin ako. Oy ako sin bebaya makimagatish ko ni ganina. Ginoon siya agwa mo siyang unakandawa pa siyang. Kaya yung siya kanwa mga ni John Sinanin. Minagi kay kawat, minagi masyayawat. Ang ramo sida, maskawazida. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020. Statewide COVID-19 numbers are as follows. 265,718 have been tested. 25,870 tested positive. 2,802 are healthcare workers. 21,169 are no longer in need of isolation and on their way to recovery. 1,086 have passed on. 876 of the deaths resided in long-term or assisted living facilities. Red Lake Indian Health Service report. As of morning of June 3rd, the Red Lake Hospital has tested 263 patients and one no longer needing isolation. That individual who tested positive has completely quarantined and is doing well. Please continue to call our nurse hotline at 679-3912 if you have respiratory symptoms such as fever, dry cough or shortness of breath, or think you may have been exposed. Border Security and Law Enforcement Report. The Red Lake Department of Public Safety continues to assist with day-to-day operations at the border security checkpoints. Border security officers are still currently turning people around that are non-members and people that are passing through, with the exception to semi-trucks. During the Memorial Day weekend, there was reports from Zone 2, Indian Service 18 and County Road 15 of finding alcohol in the vehicles after trunk searches. Law enforcement officers were notified of those incidents. As you all aware, alcohol is prohibited on the Red Lake Nation. There have been no further incidents of people hiding in the trunks of vehicles passing through. Red Lake Gaming update from employees of Red Lake Gaming. Both River Falls and Warroad properties coin-in is consistent, despite the numbers being slightly down at Warroad due to the Canadian border closure. River Falls continues to see elevated coin-in. Reminder, face masks are required, cloth or disposable. No smoking inside our facilities, but we do have designated smoking areas. Reopening plans, Phase 1 can also be found on Seven Clans website. We have lots of positive feedback on our Facebook page from patrons who cannot wait to join us or they plan to visit us soon. Patrons are happy with our policies put in place for our Phase 1 of reopening. On Monday night, Tuesday morning, two major wins on the same machine went 1 over each other at Seven Clans, River Falls. The first jackpot was for $18,675.03. The second win was $10,302.86, both on Lightning Link, Dragon Richard's machine. It was hot that night. We appreciate our patrons' patience as we are currently extremely understaffed in all departments since the reopening at River Falls site. Extended birthday offer. If a patron had a birthday during COVID-19 closure, they can stop at Players Club at both Thief River and Warroad locations during the month of June and receive an offer based on their Players Club tier level. Hours of operation for both Thief River and Warroad sites are 8 a.m. to 3 a.m. daily. Red Lake site is still currently closed until further notice. Red Lake MC Minabimada 7 update. Dayboy Motor Club left on their iron ponies this morning. Store owners, community homeowners said Thank you. They appreciate the presence of the Motor Club. Minnow B site, we are still maintaining nightly security as there was one incident last night where a man drove through the fence and knocked over tables. Seki took a wrong turn. He was intoxicating. Working with Loeffler Construction to heighten the fence at the site. Food distribution, call the Red Lake Nation Embassy at 612-874-9588 for food referral resources. Quote from Chief Joseph, "The earth and myself are one mind. Perhaps you think the Creator sent you here to dispose of us as see fit. If I thought you were sent by the Creator, I might be induced to think you had a right to dispose of me." And in closing, I want to remind everyone, when you leave the reservation to go shopping or whatever you might want to do, please wear masks and be careful where you go. You never know who you meet up with that might have this contagious disease called COVID-19, the coronavirus. It's a dangerous illness that surrounds our reservation. Be careful, be strong. Kawabamaninin minoa, Jimmy Goich.